Hi, dear friend. Today we are discussing the bilateral relation of India with its neighboring country and other some important country. It is vital for the perspective of prelims exam 2026. Let us decode India and its neighborhood. In the northern sides, China share borders with India 3,488 kilometers, and the largest border sharing between India and Bangladesh, the largest neighboring country, share 4,096 kilometer, and the second largest border sharing between India and China is 3,488 kilometer, and third largest boundary sharing between India and other neighboring country is the Pakistan. It is a 3,323 kilometers. Then the Nepal is 100 1,751 kilometer. Then the Bhutan is 699 kilometer. Then Myanmar 1,643 kilometer, and Afghanistan share the smallest boundary, almost is 106 kilometer. And two coastal country, neighboring country are the Maldives, 700 kilometer from Kerala to Maldives, and the island country in the southern island country, Sri Lanka, separated by 48 kilometer Pauk Strait and Adam Bridge. Now, let us see the bilateral relation between India and China. The bilateral trade between India and China is $127 billion in the financial year 2024 and 25. India largest trading partner of the China, and some borders dispute between India and China, and the borders are in the western sector is 100 1597 kilometer. This is the XH into the this part, and the middle sector is the 545 kilometer, and the eastern sector is 1346 kilometer, and total border sharing between India and China is 3488 kilometer, and the bilateral military engagement between India and China is hand in hand. It is a military exercise, and the multilateral engagement between India and China is BRICS, SCO, and G20 and AIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bond. Now, let us look at the India and Myanmar relations. Economic relation between India and Myanmar is 2 billion in 2024 and 2025. Myanmar is the fourth largest trading partners and 11th largest investors. Myanmar or India long land link of the southern East Asia, sharing its 1643 kilometer land boundary of the Bay of Bengal maritime boundary. And the military engagement between India and Bangladesh is IMBEX, and multilateral engagement is Mekong Cooperation, BIMSTEC, and ASEAN. Connectivity project Kalandan multimodal transmit transport corridors between the India, Myanmar, Thailand unilateral highway. Now we look at the India-Nepal relations. The India-Nepal Treaty of the Peace and Friendship is 1950 forms a bedrock of relations with open the borders and strong roti-beti bonds. The economic relation. India is the Nepal biggest trading partner. Nepal is India 11th largest. The it is also Nepal also largest FDI contributor, accounting 32% of the total investment. The military engagement between India and Nepal is the Surya Kiran. It is important sometime asking in the questions. And the railway link between India and Nepal is the Jayanagar, Khutra, and Jagbani and Birathnagar. And the hydropower cooperation between India and Nepal is Pokhara, Trisul, Western Gadak, and Devi Ghat. And the multilateral engagement between India and Bangladesh is the BBIN and the MEMSTEC and the SARC. And the area of fraction and in area of the border dispute between India and Nepal is the Kalapani border dispute. It is a transaction between Uttarakhand, China, and Nepal, and the Kali and Mahakali treaty remain. Now let us look the India and Bangladesh relation. The economic relation between India and Bangladesh in the financial year 2023 and 24 is 14.01 billions. India biggest largest trading partner in the South Asia, and India is the second biggest trade partner of the Bangladesh. Some military engagement exercise Samprati and between the army of Bangladesh and Indian army, and other the military engagement is exercise Bongo Sagar between the Bangladesh Navy and Indian Navy. Some multilateral engagement the BBIN, SARC, BIMSTEC, IORA. The connectivity project between Bangladesh and India is the Akhura Agartala and the Chilhati and Haldiwari. The friction point between India and Bangladesh is the Teesta water sharing dispute, raising the anti-India sentiment, China expanding influence and its illegal immigration inflow, and the integrated check post, namely the Petrapol in West Bengal, Saturkandi in the Assam. Then we are moving in the India and Bhutan relation. The India-Bhutan relation, diplomatic relation based on the Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation signed in the 1949, revised in 2007. The bilateral trade between 1,744 million between the financial year 2024 and 25. India contribute 80% of the Bhutan overall trade. Connectivity. Railway project Kokrajhar, Gelepu and Banahat and Simsa. BRO project in the Dantec. The hydropower cooperation between India and Bhutan is the Chokha 1988 and Khurichu 2001, Tala 2017-8 or Magduchu 2017-19 and others. So India and Afghanistan and India share border 109 kilometers. Afghanistan also neighboring country of India. Then the India and Russia relations. Bilateral trade between India and Russia is 68.7 billion in the financial year 2024 and 25. 90% trade conducted in the local currency, like as Astro and Nastro. Multilateral engagement is the United Nations, G20, BRICS, SCO. Energy partnership between India and Russia. India is the largest crude oil importer. And defense. In the defense, Russia account 36% of India total defense import, like as BrahMos missile system, AK-203 rifles and Su-30 Sukhoi 30 aircraft and T-90 tank like it. The military engagement between India and Russia is exercise Indra, the naval exercise, and the space cooperation between India and Russia is the Soviet Union launched the first India satellite, the Aryabhatta, in 1975, and the political cooperation 2+2 dialogue from 2021. What is the meaning of 2+2 dialogue? 2+2 dialogue means defense minister and the home minister are contributed. Then India and UK relation. The bilateral trade between India and UK is euro 44 billion euro. UK is the sixth largest source of FDI. India fourth largest exporter destination, while India ranks second the largest investor in the UK. The military engagement between India and UK is the Kokon, Ajay Warriors, Cobra Warriors, and the multilateral engagement between India and UK is G20 and the Commonwealth. The defense cooperation, both nations adopted 10-year defense industry roadmap 2025. The strategic partnership, India and the UK upgraded their comprehensive strategic partnership under the India-UK Vision 2025 and CETA. And the India and US relation. The bilateral trade between India and US is $131.84 billion in the 2024 and 2025. India largest trading partner. The US is India top pharma export markets, taking 35% of India pharma exports. Energy. The strategic clean energy partnership promote clean energy and climate resilience. The military engagement between India and US is the Yuddha Abhyas with Army, Malabar exercise with Navy, and COPE India with Indian Air Force. Trump type Tiger Trump is the trilateral exercise. And political cooperation 2+2 dialogues in the I2U2. I2U2 means India, Israel, and USA and UAE. The Foundation Defense Agreement is the General Security of Military Information Agreement, Logistic Exchange Memorandum Agreement, Communication Compatibility and Security Agreement, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. The tech cooperation between India and US is the ICET. NISAR India is the entry of the US-led Artemis Accords and Trust 2025 Deep India and US Tech Space Cooperation.